At a press conference held on Wednesday, the 13th of July 2022, members of the All Meghalaya SSA Teachers Association had informed newspersons on their recent demands from the state government. Speaking to reporters, the General Secretary of the association, Defender S. Lamare, informed that after a meeting of the Executive Committee of the association on 5th July 2022, a delegation of the All Meghalaya SSA Teachers Association had submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister, the Education Minister, the Governor of Meghalaya, and an appeal to BJP MLA AL Hek on the demand of the teachers. A reminder to the memorandum submitted earlier was also submitted on the 13th of July 2022. The demands include the pending 5-month salary and pending arrear of 2016 to 2017 of the teachers, which have not been released till date. Lamare further informed that as a mark of protest against the apathy of the state government towards teachers' demands, the association has decided to stage an indefinite sit-in demonstration from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. from 15th July 2022 at the parking lot of the Additional Secretariat building in Shillong.
So we are here to give a briefing on our meeting, on our visit today, to submit the memorandum as a reminder to our Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and also our Honorable Education Minister, and also to the State Project Director. So, but we could not meet them personally today, but we have handed the reminder of the memorandum to their respective office. Our main motive is to address the grievances of the SSA school teachers. From time to time we face this situation or problems because we could not receive our salary regularly. So now, to remind you, we had the executive committee held on the 5th of July this year at Khasi National Darbar Hall. There we have decided to address our issues to the government regarding our 5-month pending salary with effect from February to June. And from the government side, they have promised, especially the Education Minister, he has promised that by the 12th, that's been by yesterday, by 12th, we will try our level best to release your salary. But we are afraid that till today, when we visit their office, we could not get the assurance of their promises. So therefore, we, on behalf of the association, as we have already decided, if the government fail to release our salary on the 12th, so we will go for the peaceful, indefinite sitting demonstration on the 15th this month at the parking lot of Additional Secretariat here in Shillong, starting from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So we also would like to urge all our SSA school teachers to join us in this dharna so that we will be able to voice our issues, our grievances to the government.